there's a mosquito. Hold up. Okay. So I wanted to teach y'all how to clean a toilet, okay? And my whole life I've just did a little scrub until the yellow was gone, and then I was like, okay. But I'm gonna show you how to actually do it because my husband taught me how to do it because I did not. And he realized how I was doing it, and he was probably like, ew, girl, ew. But you have your little toilet thingy. Put this in it. This is gonna lift up. Look, y'all, all the nasty things. You're just gonna, honestly, wait, I just closed it. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Well, anyway, as y'all know, well, maybe not, you probably don't, I'm not known. But if you watched my last video or see my playlist, this is me being your mom and sharing my experiences as a homemaker and as a growing adult. I think a lot of adults don't do this. My whole life, I have done it like this, where you just put this in here, you let it sit, and you flush. That's not how you do it. So what you do is, now this is bleach. This has bleach in it. It's a cleaning bleach gel. So what you're gonna do is gonna be all up in there. You're gonna get your thing wet, and you're gonna get up in there. You're good. And you wanna get it. Now, since this has bleach, you gotta watch what clothes you're wearing. I'm really supposed to go like this, but I wanna sit down. So, but I've been doing it the other way, which makes this brush all nasty and dirty, and you're not supposed to do it like that. Since it has bleach clinging to it while you're cleaning, and especially the other steps, the brush doesn't have a chance to get dirty because it's having germs being killed on it. But every time I put it back in its thing, if there's extra water in there, it's not even dirty water because it's just pure bleach. And you'll see why. I'm not using a mic. I hope I sound good. I'm not using a mic that I did in my last video. I used a Rode mic, but you want to get under here too. It's where a lot of that grime is. Oop, I just touched too close. Now I got bleach on my hands. Okay. And this is going to get all that yellow grime. And not only that, it's going to make the toilet smell good. And you're going to clean it right. Don't do it how I used to do it. Okay, after that, you're going to flush. Like this. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, and then I'm going to dip it in. Make it in there more what I forgot. I could not see. And I'm gonna try to do this quick because I have things that I gotta do today that I did not do when I was supposed to do. I'm gonna put more of this. I think I missed a step, but that's okay. Oh, you want to be careful. It's gonna splash. And you're gonna get all that bleach water here, and you want to put your rugs away because it could get bleached. But you're gonna put it on the rim gently. And this is all clean water, and that's just gonna be for later. We're gonna let it sit. Some here too. All in here. Now you can wear gloves doing this. It's honestly probably preferred. Now I'm gonna get some in here too. Easier. And then now and especially as a woman, sometimes you get period blood under this and you might not even know. Y'all should go check and make sure. I didn't know. One time I checked and I was blood and my husband seen it and he was like, we gotta clean this. But after you do that, you're gonna get your disinfectant Clorox wipes. It doesn't matter the scent, clearly. Just use whatever. And what I'm gonna do is just go over this. And when you're gonna throw these away, you don't want to put them in the thing. Alright, with this, you're just gonna give it a quick wipe. Go like this on the knobs, because those get dirty. And just make sure it's all clean. And then you're gonna, normally I do this one at the end, but I mean, that's just for convenience. Alright, so now I lift it up and I do this part that I put bleach on. And you're gonna see how clean it looks and it's gonna smell really good. But that bleach, letting it marinate on the seat, like really cleans it. Now you don't wanna like squeeze this and a lot's gonna come out. You just wanna like hold it, because if you squeeze it, all that stuff that's in this is gonna squeeze out and it can get places. All right, so now you're gonna get in this side. You're gonna get under here because there's gonna be nasty, it's not that bad right now, but it's gonna be a lot of hair. And if you leave your door open and you have animals, we don't do that, but if you do, it's gonna get real hairy and dirty. So now I'm gonna grab another one. I'm gonna do the rim here and I'm gonna hold it like a handshake. That way I can get halfway out the outside and the inside, and then inside the bowl. Okay. And then I get this knob and this, the bowl. And it's important to get the top too, because there's stuff on there to do that one. You're gonna have to use a lot if there's a lot of hair, because it's gonna catch up with hair and you're just gonna keep placing hair from different spots on new spots and it won't clean. So try to do one swoop too when it comes to the hair, and then flip it and then just glide it there. But there you go. And you know, a lot of bacteria builds up in the bathroom, so you want to make sure that these are clean. And then you're gonna put the toilet seat down. You're gonna see extra that you might have missed. You're gonna get the buckles of the toilet, and there you go. And you can sit down now. You're also gonna want, you can't really see, but okay, you can't really see, but there's a bottom here, right? And you're gonna clean that. And in the back, there's gonna be Let me change the view. I did my best. But you're gonna have buckles right there. And this is, I'm gonna have to use a new thing. I'm gonna get all that hair. My dog's whining. But there's hair buildup here, whether it be your hair or hair that came from under the door from the animals. Being stubborn. Okay, you're gonna get back there and clean it up. Now, men normally get this part really dirty. Now, I'm gonna tell you what. And this is controversial, but it honestly shouldn't be. If you want to keep yourself and others clean in your surroundings, and you're a man, you need to stop peeing standing, okay? Your manhood's not going to be gone because you stop peeing standing, okay? I am sure that Jesus probably peed standing and sitting. It really don't matter. You can still pee perfectly fine in this toilet or wherever, squatting on something that's like a toilet. You know, you're in the woods, stand. But when you're out in areas like this, stop. Like, you literally are peeing everywhere. Like, you're disgusting, bro. So basically, get a grip, lock in, and take a step to respecting your surroundings and yourself. And you are on the next level to being a respectable person. So, with that, everyone's life gets easier. So yeah, everything's fine, I promise. I'm gonna teach my kids to pee sitting, and I'm gonna let them know it's okay to pee standing in areas that aren't public. So, that is one thing that's really important. I mean, imagine a woman. Dang, y'all, my phone died. That thing drains my battery. But like I was saying, that's like a woman putting her tampon places, or if she were to wipe her vagina and just throw it out, throw it off, like somewhere. Like, it is really nasty that this society is like normalizing men not taking care of themselves. You peeing to drain your body is not a game. It's not an aiming game. And half of the guys are already playing Call of Duty. Okay? You aim enough. You're fine. So, yeah. And I used to not agree with this, but now I do, because it's honestly truthful. Like, I'm over here having pride for other men. I am not gonna have pride for y'all peeing everywhere. It's gross. It's not sanitary. It's not good for you. It's not good for others. Just stop. Just stop. So yeah, and ladies, if men out here know anybody, any woman that does what I had said, lock in. Don't be doing that. That's disgusting. That's not feminine. But yeah, my phone died, but you guys seen what I did, and I hope that it helps you. And yeah, so I have some stuff to tend to. I got some clothes that I gotta put away. I gotta pee really bad. And I'll be sure to not do it all over the toilet. God bless in Jesus' name. And I hope that you have a good day, and I hope that this taught you something like it did me.